Ann.byer with Keller Williams.
And I'm Terry West at Draper and Kramer Mortgage Corp.
Today we're going to talk about the next step. You've found the house, you've signed an agreement of sale. Now what happens with your mortgage? And we're going to talk about it right now.
So the next step after you found that house is to make your application formal. So we already would have done the pre-approval, so I should have most of your information. I may need some documents to back that up, but you're ready to go. All I have to do is put in that property address, and we're going to make your application formalized. Then what we're going to do is we're going to disclose that loan to you officially, which means that we are going to send out documents to you to either physically sign or electronically sign. You do have a choice with Draper and Kramer. We have the technology to make it really easy. So we will email you those disclosures. You have the opportunity to e-sign them. So you'll e-sign them, and then that starts the process. With your consent, we can move forward then and get your loan into the processing stage. And what that means is that we're going to have somebody check everything that you gave us. Check what I've taken on your application, check the documents to back that information up, and go through that file so it's all ready for what's called the underwriter. The underwriter takes all that information and reviews that and makes sure it matches the loan program that you're using. Okay, whether it be a conventional loan with Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, whether it be a government loan with FHA or USDA or VA. They're going to check it and make sure it's ready to go. In that time, we're also going to do an appraisal. And the appraisal is different from your home inspection that you might be getting done as well. The home inspection is to make sure that your home is in good shape and you're going to go forward with it. The appraisal is to determine value. So that's very important because we're giving you all this money. We want to make sure that the value is there for that property. We get that done. The underwriter gets all that information. She says, okay, we're going to promise to give you a mortgage based on the information you gave us. We may need a pay stub or we may need to see some money clearing your account. But other than that, we're going to commit to you to do that mortgage. And that mortgage commitment is very, very important for Ann.
Right. We have a specific date and a deadline in the agreement of sale. And that's why a good lender is critical, because if you miss that date, you are in default and your deposit money is at risk. So you want to make that date.
So that's my responsibility, is to make sure you make that date. So we do our underwriting and processing very quickly to make sure you're going to be ready to go. We typically process and underwrite files within 7 business days of receiving them. So my staff is very, very efficient with what we need done on the back end and behind those scenes that you don't see. So after we do that, we'll get that mortgage commitment. After that, you're going to shop for your homeowner's insurance. So we have that. We'll take care of that. We'll take care of the title information, and that's something that we handle on the back end as well for you, so that you're going to be all ready for that closing date. So my job is to make sure you get from application to closing in a timely fashion, and you're ready to go.
So if you need a mortgage, call Terry.
And if you need real estate, you want to call Ann. We're your mortgage connection.
And remember Terry for your mortgage.
And remember Ann, your real estate agent.
Your local connection.